after this.
Okay, lots of energy. This is on camera.
So Gertrude is happy. Her tail's nice and long.
Kid, fasten your seatbelt, because now things go wrong.
Here we go. Nice and low.
There's a rustle in the bushes. There's a tremble in the trees. Hear it like a whisper, tell it on a summer breeze.
1, 2, 3. Walk.
Something bright is getting
Cross.
clearer.
Right way. Walk together.
Something big is coming through.
Good.
That's a monkey presence. That's what we intend to do.
Come on.
I want a monkey, monkey around. Come on, I got a monkey, monkey around. Come on, we're gonna monkey.
Use the tail around. 1, 2, 3. Good. This is going to be small.
Well, it's bigger than a black box, and it's wider than a whale.
Peanut butter bread.
And it's scared to death from head to tail.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wrap it.
Top, dust, oh, stop. That's all the who's.
Just monkeys.
Monkey, who's what I don't hear a sound.
Come on.
We got a monkey, monkey around.
Start our steps.
Stop!
Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Scoot. And high. Scoot. West. Right there. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We freeze.
Bolts and jungle duel is one heck of a ride. We've got monkeys backed up to the 302. I'd find all their roots if I were you.
Here we go. Scoot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Scoot. Good. Right, left, shift. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get away. Awesome, Charles. Awesome.
Wow,